welcome to Hilltop Garage. Today's just a short video, and I'm going to do a couple minutes talking. So, what I want to show you today is we have the Sears here, again, the good old Sears GT18. And what happened is now on this wheel, I gotta hurry because my battery's kind of dead. Actually, this one over here, you remember last year, I told you the hub started having some play in it, so I had to weld it up. And what I gotta do is pull the wheel weight off, which no one's ever seen the wheel weights off of this one, so this is what it looks like. So, they're not the best looking, but I figured I'd show you what the wheels look like. So, this is pretty much what I do. I weld it up so that there's really good penetration here. You can see because it's connected and everything. It might be kind of hard to see on camera, but that is how I fixed the other hub, and that's how I fixed this one. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be like, you know, that's really stupid because you're never gonna be able to get back in there to get to your transmission, and that's actually not true. If I ever have to, I own a plasma cutter, I own angle grinders. No big deal to get in there. Do I want to do that? No. But the thing is, I cannot get anything for that transmission, therefore it is no point in leaving it, what's the name for it? You know, in buying the hubs, because the hubs are like $50 to $100 to get them, and I cannot see spending money for something just so I can say, I can pull my hubs off. Can you do anything to the transmission? Well, no. Granted, it would be kind of nice to be able to pull those off when I get another transmission for this eventually, but that should hopefully come with the hubs. If not, I'll buy the hubs at that point and weld them back on. Being honest, one of them things, I can't buy parts for it. This transmission's got a lot of life left in it as far as I'm concerned. The tractor still runs good, drives good, everything does good on the tractor still. I'm going to say it's fine. You know, I welded it up, everything's even, the tire doesn't have any wibble wobble garbage in it. And I need to get this fixed before it got bad, and I couldn't weld it because of the amount of damage that's already done to it. So in this case scenario, I was able to get it welded up like I did the other side, and now the tractor's ready to hit the field with the plow and get back to work, because we're thinking about extending our garden this year. But that's pretty much it. Just want to show you a short little video so you get an idea of how I fixed the hub on the GT18. Hopefully this video will help you if you have a tractor that has the same problem, but don't do it unless you know for a fact you cannot get parts of the transmission. Which means, in other words, transmission goes out, get another transmission. You can't buy parts to rebuild this one. So, that's my little tip today on how to weld this stuff up and show you what I did so you know for next time. So, as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and hope you enjoyed the video. And again, hopefully this was helpful. And like I said, I know in years to come when I have a bunch of subscribers, I'm probably going to get some hate comments down below. You know, that was dumb. You can't get into it anymore. But like I said, I can't get parts for it. There's no sense in paying the money. Just so I can say, look, I had the original hubs for this. It doesn't matter. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish welding this baby up, and then I'm going to get the, well, actually it is finished welding, I'm going to finish putting it all back together so that I can get this thing out of the shop, back up there where it belongs, and I can start putting the attachments back on her and get her back to work. So, as always, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and leave a like. And I am going to be using the Ingersoll in future videos now that this one is starting to run. I do have a couple things I still need to do to it, like a tube for the one front tire. I need new tires all the way around it pretty much. There's still a couple things I need to get an air filter for it before I can actually use it a lot. You know, I still use it some, but I prefer not to until I get an air filter. So that I might go and get an air filter this Saturday, I have to see. But yes, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you on the next episode of Jay's Hilltop Garage. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time.